disgusting. My room is gross right now. I don't think my room has been this messy in like years. I do not let this happen to my room, but I've been running around like crazy, like non-stop. Like I have not been able to catch a breath. Right now I'm like, ugh, I'm like itching to clean this up right now because it's like, anyways, that's why we're here. We're doing a Sunday reset. If you're like me, I need a day of the week to like restart my entire week. Sundays is where I get everything done. I usually wake up early to do this, but I had a catastrophe this morning, so it kind of took up my whole morning. But it's never too late for a Sunday reset. So happy the weather's been looking so nice. Hi, Poppy. Hi, happy birthday. Look at my old man. He's 15. Starting this morning with one of my favorite breakfasts. Oh, I just broke the egg. The best I've listed before. My favorite breakfast food at the moment has been these protein pancakes. What I used to do is I would just use the batter and milk. Now I add like cottage cheese, egg whites into the batter. It just has like much more protein in it, and it's just much more whole than just like the batter itself. Ooh, these are like a little raw. I am the worst cook ever. Sugar-free syrup. This is today's outfit. My shirt is from Amazon, pants are from Garage, my little claw clip, and then this bag my boyfriend gave me for Christmas. I haven't even worn it yet. I wore it once for Christmas Day, and I used to hate the color pink, and now I own everything light pink. Okay, before we go, I'm gonna touch up my hair though, just a little bit. I have so much to do today for this reset. I honestly don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit. I went out last night and it was way too sweaty. I ended up going to two places, and the first place just reminds me of that basement. The second one was just sweaty. I told myself I wasn't gonna put this much heat on my hair. Today's agenda is I just have to like deep clean, organize my room, do my laundry, make sure everything is in its place, because when the time comes and I can't find it, I'm gonna be in trouble. So Sundays are just for organization. I usually get coffee on Sundays, which I've been trying to restrict my caffeine a lot because I feel like I've been taking way too much caffeine, and honestly I didn't even drink caffeine until like probably like 2 years ago. It has been affecting my sleep schedule. My sleep schedule has been all over the place this week. Hair's done. First thing I'm gonna do is go for a walk with my dogs. I feel like they deserve it. Sleep. Ooh, what is that? What is that? God, I just murdered my finger. Step 2. I think it's time that we deep clean my room. I stole this from downstairs. I like this one. I think this one is the flower lavender. This is my favorite one. I think it's time to deep clean my room because my room is so messy. I think it's because I just went out last night, and usually when that happens, all my clothes are all over the place and I don't have time to fix everything by the time I leave my house. Like I'm always in a rush and I'm always running late, and I take like 3 hours to get ready. I just have to organize, scrub, vacuum. I have to clean my bathroom. I haven't cleaned my sink or my toilet in so long. Organizing everything just gets me ahead for like the week to come. There's a lot of stuff that we have to move around. So when it comes to organizing my makeup, I have 3 of these. Right now, they're a complete mess. I sort them out based on types of makeup. So this one right here is like all my like face, BB cream, SPF, primer. The big boys all go in here. Everything that's not for my face goes here. This one's like kind of just like the random goodies. This is like more for like beauty blenders. All my little tweezers and stuff goes into a cabinet. All my contacts go in here. So the room is basically clean at this point. My vanity was honestly the one that needed the most work, but also all the clothes that I had on my bed and everything. I feel like I've just been like rotting in my bed all day, and I've just been really procrastinating cleaning my room. That took like 4 hours. It was supposed to take like 20 minutes. What are you doing? So as I'm meal prepping, my boyfriend's coming over. We're gonna take off this Christmas tree because I've had it since Christmas. They look so desperate to see what's in the bag. Since today's my dog's birthday, we had a big birthday celebration for him. We had the birthday celebration at my brother's, and he just got a lot of toys from that. So we're gonna do a max haul. He got this little stuffed animal. But that one's probably my favorite. Like, that is such a cute stuffed animal. Then they got is this toy. It moves its ears. Next thing that he got, it's this little like bone. Then he got these like poop bags. Some socks from Five Below that we both can match with. It's probably what Coco was looking for. These are cheddar treats and they're obsessed with them, but Max can't eat them because they're too hard for him. Sit. He doesn't like them. I don't. Oh, yay! I'm cooking the veggies. I'm so hungry. I really didn't eat. The reason why I meal prep always on Sundays is because on Monday, in order for me to start eating healthy and stuff, if I don't do it right on the weekend, I have Monday to restart it all over again. I don't have to worry about making my food because I'm so busy throughout the week that I don't really have time to make my food. Especially making like 3-4 meals a day. It takes like 30 minutes to an hour every single time, and clean up and everything. And we don't use a dishwasher at my house. Hi guys. So it's actually the next day. My boyfriend ended up sleeping over and I couldn't do anything else after he left. Like when I do my self-care nights, I need to be with me, myself, and I. So we ended up watching a movie and we ended up relaxing and rotting together. Today's now Monday. It's early morning. It's around 8 o'clock. I'm gonna go back to my regularly scheduled Monday program. There were still some things that I had to do that I completely didn't do yesterday, so I wanted to do them now. We definitely have to get a planner. I want to sort out everything I have to do this week because there is so much I have to do. I ended up not getting a new planner for 2024, so just went to Five Below. I ended up seeing if they had anything there and they have nothing there. I'm gonna go to the gym and then after that I'm gonna hit up Target and Marshalls and TJ Maxx and seeing if I could find an affordable planner, because usually I get like these huge planners that I end up not using at all throughout the whole like new year. And every new year my resolution is to end up using my planner and I never do, so I don't want to take the risk again and have this huge notebook that's super heavy that I have to carry around if I barely use it. Still have to do my self-tan because I'm super pale. I ended up getting a new self-tan at Ulta and I've been wanting to try it out, so that's something else we'll do for tonight. And other than that, I have everything done basically for my Sunday. Those are the two things I really wanted to do. Finish some laundry, and after that we are done with our Sunday reset and we are ready for the week. Let's get going. This one's also really cute. I'm not long if you joking now with me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming through it. I your body as long as you dreaming about me. Ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth I look better. Got this planner, got it from Target. I just wanted a small one. I don't really use my phone when it comes to writing appointments down or anything. My planner is honestly everything that I keep when it comes to my schedule or anything. Everything is usually in my planner. I don't write anything on my phone at all. And I'll write it later. But I just love how portable it is. Hopefully this will last me for the whole year. I honestly used to be somebody who never wrote down their schedule for the week. The thing that I had to do that's coming up is Valentine's Day. It was a girlfriend custom sweatshirt. I think I'm actually just gonna make it. So easily make that. I wanted to make him something like this. I want to get things back on track though, and I do have a nail appointment in literally 20 minutes, but I wanted to spend these next like 5 minutes trying to find a nail design that I really love. I think I'm going to keep my length till I think I decided we're gonna go with these until I end up changing my mind. We really gotta go. Puppies, gotta go. Fade here in the middle, and then they just have a bunch of pearls. She ended up gluing this heart on it because I thought she was just gonna make it herself. I'm scared it's gonna like fall off. I love that. Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Look. Thank you so much. Wanted to wrap this Sunday reset off by me doing my hair. Although this was an extremely long Sunday reset, I'm happy I got everything I needed to do done. Usually what I would do is I would blow out my hair for the week, but since I was going to blow out my hair on Wednesday, I'd rather just hold it off. I am planning on waking up at 5 a.m. for the rest of the week, so stay tuned for next week's video. And now I'm going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching.